Okay, I need a little bit more water. See the bottom here, still like dried flour, so you just slowly add water and mix the dough in. Good. So now it becomes the dough, and then I will cover it and let it sit for about half an hour. So this is a ground celery. I'm adding about 1.5 teaspoons of salt in there, maybe 2 teaspoons. It's 2.5 pounds of celery. I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of salt. And then I will have to squeeze the water out. It's important to do that. So the water is squeezed out and then drain the water. It's been about 30 minutes since I was preparing for the celery and meat. And now I'm just going to knead the dough for about 30 times, and then I'll let it rest for another 30 minutes. Okay, I have all the ingredients here, about 3 pounds of chicken grounded meat, 1 pound of shrimps, and I'm adding 3 eggs, ginger, minced ginger, and the green onions, salt and pepper. So I'm just going to assemble them. Remember my celery, I ground it up, I already have salt in there and the water has been squeezed out. So I'm just going to put everything in, and let's add salt and pepper. This is the part I am not sure how much. I think it's going to take about 3 teaspoons of salt.
I think that's a lot more than 3 teaspoons, Mom.
That's a lot more than
maybe 3 tablespoons.
No. I think that's about maybe 1 tablespoon is enough.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna grind pepper. We like pepper, so I'm gonna grind a lot of pepper in there. And I usually when I cook, I don't taste it, but when I make when I make these, I have to taste it. The salt. So I'm just gonna mix it up. You can use a knife, I mean a fork. Just you mix it up and combine this with the vegetables in the end. So it's been about another half an hour, and this is how the dough looks like now. I'm gonna give it another like 30 knead, and once I'm done, I'll set it aside for another 20 minutes till I have all the fillings ready. Meat is mixed. Remember this celery? I squeeze out the water. It has salt in there already. Now I'm just going to mix it in. Ooh, it's a little tight, the bowl, but whatever. We're just going to mix it in, and then the filling is ready. So you round the dough piece, press it, and we add some flour so it doesn't stick, and you just roll it. Hold the center so the center is a little thicker, and on the side, because when you fold the side is going to stick together. That's 2 folds, and the center is a little thicker and won't break. And then you just roll it to a round wrap. And there we go.